Hello, my name is Shubham Upre. I am an aspiring investment banking operation professional. You can reach me at my email or connect with me on a LinkedIn. Coming to my career objective, I have completed my MBA in finance and a certification in investment banking operation from Imarticus Learning. I have knowledge in AML KYC, derivative, trade life cycle, and corporate action. Along with my technical knowledge, I have skill in public speaking, problem solving, and decision making. Coming to my academics, I have completed my MBA in finance from Dr. D.Y. Patil College, Akudi, with 8.3 CGPA. I have completed my Bachelor of Commerce degree from Shri Venkatesh Mahavidyalaya Ichirkaranji with CGPA of 8.94. My academic project My academic project focused on analyzing a systematic investment plan at the Deepak Patil Investment. The studies show how investor can benefit from a rupee cost averaging and mitigating its market volatility. My internships I also interned at the Deepak Patil Investment Private Limited, where I learned the process of mutual fund during a 60 days of an internship. Certification I hold certification including the NISM National Financial Literacy Quiz and training from WNS in finance and accounting and job skill training. Skills My hard skill include MS Excel, AML KYC, derivatives and trade life cycle, and my soft skill include adaptability, teamwork and problem solving. Here are here my certifications are. It is my internship completion certificate. My personal details. I came from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and I am fluent in English, Marathi, and Hindi. Thank you for watching my profile. You can follow me on a LinkedIn for further updates.